We're packing our backpacks and leaving Vancouver for another adventure.
Hi, I'm Emily.
And I'm Chris.
And we love unconventional minimalist travel. For this trip, we're leaving our tiny camper behind and getting on a plane to explore new places closer to the equator. Leaving our condo and packing for long-term travel takes a bit of work, but I really enjoy the process. Step 1. Pre-packing. Before we start to pack, we run errands to pick up the currency used at our destination and check vaccine requirements well before our travel dates.
Traveling during COVID adds a few extra things to our packing checklist, like making sure that we have the vaccine requirements for entry into the country, seeing if we need a negative COVID test, and also filling out that passenger locator form or whatever the country we're traveling to is calling it.
Step 2. Packing. We start off our packing by laying everything we want to pack out on our bed. I'll go through the details now, then put up a summary list afterwards. For this trip, we're traveling to a warm climate, so I'm packing 3 dresses, 3 sets of workout and hiking clothing, loungewear, PJs, and a bathing suit for clothes. For shoes, I'm going to wear my bulkiest pair of shoes, which are my trail runners, and packing my street shoes and a pair of flip-flops. I then put the rest of my toiletries and makeup into my toiletries case. For electronics, I'm bringing my computer, phone, and e-reader. We also bring a SIM card pin so we can buy and change our SIM cards at the airport when we land. And then we pack a few extra items like our smoke and carbon monoxide detector, which we talked about in a previous video, and some cards and a travel-sized cribbage board that Chris made, which we also did another video on. And we also bring all of our ID, passports, and travel documents, including the COVID locator or health forms that are required by the countries that we're traveling to.
We've gotten all of the stuff that we want to bring laid out on the bed, so the next step is to try and get it all into our backpacks.
I'm using my 45-liter amber backpack from Gregory, and Chris uses a pack from Mac.
When I'm packing my bag, I always start with the bigger stuff, and then I go to the smaller things, and I stuff it down as much as I can to try and make sure that I'm getting as much room out of my backpack as I possibly can.
One of the things I don't like about this Mech backpack is the giant pouches that make it really hard to organize stuff, because everything that goes into this pouch falls to the bottom. So I just take this plastic bag, which came from, underwear or socks or something like that, and I use that to organize everything, because it kind of stuffs in, it doesn't fall all over the place, and I can put that inside this big pouch.
So here's our full packing list for our next trip. Medication: toothbrush, toothpaste, dental floss, and other toiletries, soaps, shampoos, skin cream, deodorants, and sunscreens. Makeup, including chapstick and nail care products like nail clippers. Brush and other hair care products. Jewelry, socks and undergarments. PJs, workout clothes and hiking clothes. Regular day clothes, bathing suit, running or hiking shoes, street shoes, and flip-flops. If you're staying in a hostel or plan on using community showers, definitely don't forget the shower flip-flops. Sunglasses, jacket, passport, wallet, and money. Plane tickets, hotel reservations, travel insurance, and directions on getting to your destination. We always download an offline version of Google Maps for the places we're going before we leave. Water bottle, hand sanitizer and masks, e-reader, waterproof bag for our ID if we do any kind of water activities, playing cards and games, phone and charger, laptop and charger, headphones, extra chargers, cables, and extension cords, along with power converters depending on where we're traveling, first aid kit, smoke detector, and a sewing and repair kit.
We're all packed and ready to head out the door for our 15-hour journey.
Step 3. Traveling.
We've just landed at Toronto's Pearson International Airport after the red-eye here. We're so tired, we didn't sleep that much on the flight, so hopefully we'll get some sleep on the next one.
After almost 20 hours of traveling, we've arrived. Have you guessed where we are? Find out in our next video.